Well, it's not every day an organization receives a grant from a DVD net proceed, but that's why the Conquest of the Snake documentary stood out to those in the Magic Valley. Instead of using the profits from the film for personal use, writer and producer Andrew Vawser and Executive Director Jim Paxton gave back to the community instead. Our Shirley Busico spoke with one grant recipient, and he tells us his story.
This library hasn't seen any changes in a long time. And so the small changes we made were real exciting for people.
John Swayze, the director at Filer Public Library, says he used the grant money to make a juvenile and teen reading room, adding some beanbags into the mix to give readers that home, comforting feeling.
And we decided we wanted to make some spots for our teen and juveniles to be able to relax and read a book, talk with their friends.
Swayze says he also purchased other things with the grant money.
We also have a new couch, courtesy of the grant. We have a section for our preschool reading. We put in a rug, and so we got some bean bags on this side.
He purchased a filing cabinet too, located behind his desk.
We tried to make the money stretch as far as we could, because we were very, very happy to have the money, and so we wanted to put it to the best use possible.
Swayze says all of these changes were all for the public, and he's glad to see the library updated.
Patrons want to see change that can be beneficial to them, and that's what we try to do.
Shirley Busico, KMVT News.
Now, if you want to purchase the Conquest of the Snake documentary, you can do so at the Snake River Pool and Spa. All of this year's net proceeds will go to the Twin Falls Historical Museum.